It is just that time of the year where you have to keep a sharp eye.
Absolutely.
Today, for the most part, North Texas got lucky because we were capped, which just means thunderstorms could not get going. There wasn't a good forcing mechanism to get them started, but we have thunderstorms building out west that will arrive overnight and early tomorrow.
Wow.
That's where we have this tornado watch in effect until 3 o'clock in the morning. This does not include the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This is northwest of the Metroplex from Gainesville to Bowie down to Graham for a line of thunderstorms that will be marching in late tonight. There's a little bit of rain in Denton. That is not severe stuff. This is just some rain, some thunder and lightning up into Cook County. This may produce a little bit of small hail. That's possible, but I want to show you the scope of how large this system is and how far spread it is, because you have thunderstorms not only here in North Texas, you have tornado warnings in Oklahoma, parts of Missouri and Kansas. You have severe thunderstorm warnings in Wisconsin. You have thunderstorms up in Michigan and even into Canada, and all the way down to Big Bend, almost to Mexico. So a lot of thunderstorm activity here along this very dynamic system. Heavy snow in the Rockies. That time of the year, you get these very intense storm systems. This is the portion we're watching for us here in North Texas. You could already see some intense thunderstorms in West Texas. That will start moving into our area over the next several hours. So here's the timeline. 11 p.m. Thunderstorms finally start to push east overnight. By 3 o'clock in the morning, Sherman, Denton, Decatur, Mineral Wells, Granbury down to Stephenville and Meridian. By 4, kind of in the heart of the Metroplex here, starting to move into Collin County. By 5 o'clock, it's Dallas County. There could be some large hail. There could be some damaging wind gusts within this line of thunderstorms, and I can't rule out an isolated tornado. That is the concern overnight tonight with these thunderstorms. We don't have a watch in place for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but that could very well change over the next couple of hours. On Twitter, on Facebook, I will post any watches and any warnings we get through the night over there. So again, 5 o'clock in the morning, we're getting close to daybreak here, obviously. We have some thunderstorms in the Metroplex. East of the Dallas-Fort Worth area from Paris down through Meridian at 6 o'clock, and then in eastern portions of North Texas and eventually East Texas by 8. And then we get a bit of a break for now. More thunderstorms are possible, though, Sunday afternoon. So here are the risks as we look into the overnight into early Sunday morning, or excuse me, the timing. Between now and 3 o'clock in the morning, Bowie, Decatur, Mineral Wells, and Granbury. Metroplex area, 3 o'clock to 6 a.m. for the timing of the storms, and then 6 to 9 in eastern portions of North Texas. Then we have another round of thunderstorms. Sunday afternoon, we'll see redevelopment of thunderstorms, especially in eastern portions of North Texas. Dallas-Fort Worth area included in a level 2 slight risk for Sunday for up to golf ball size hail, damaging wind gusts, and an isolated tornado. The best threat for severe weather is in East Texas and eastern portions of North Texas. This is 12 p.m. Watch. So we get into the afternoon, we see a scattering of thunderstorms redevelop. Right now, it looks like mainly along and east of I-35 for the best chance to see that thunderstorm activity. There's 5 p.m. You see quite numerous thunderstorms in East Texas and eastern portions of North Texas by 7. Then finally, we get a little bit of a pause. Monday looks dry. We'll take it. It's been a very active couple of days here. We could see an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain overnight tonight through tomorrow evening. Isolated higher amounts of 4 to 5 inches. A flash flood watch in effect through Sunday evening because of that. Tonight, 66 thunderstorms well after midnight, some severe. Tomorrow, 80 thunderstorms likely in the morning. Some could be severe. Then another round of scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some of those could be severe. 14-day forecast. A lot of chances for rain. Scattered thunderstorms will be back into the picture on Wednesday, 83. Some of those, guess what?
Could be severe.
Could be severe, and then we go into the end of the week. You got it. It's almost like
it is May in Texas.
See, even the sports guy knows better. Yeah, it is May in Texas almost here, and that's just this time of the year where we see these chances for thunderstorms. And well, if you have thunderstorms in North Texas in late April and May, they possibly could be
Severe.
You got it.
Thanks for the
Perfection.
lesson, and I think